I am Chef Leoniel and I'll be showing you how to make grain mixed mushroom soup. First of all, we need to slice the onions. You can just roughly chop it up. Same goes with the mushroom. Once the pot is being heated up, add your olive oil inside, add in the onions, and you saute together with the mushrooms. Just using a wooden ladle, and I'm going to stir. At this point, you may want to close the lid of the pot. Now let's check. So you can see the onions and the mushroom has already been cooked through and there's a slightly browning to it. And next, add the homemade chicken stock. So the whole chicken carcass, you put with leeks, carrots and onions, and then you just boil it over an hour and you can make your own chicken stock. We let it simmer, bring to a boil. You can now transfer into a food processor, alright? So this is how it's going to look like. So you transfer it inside. At this stage, we're going to add in cream and also the grain mix. And then now we're going to mix it. When it is boiling, you add the butter. Give that smooth, creamy texture on it. Add 2 pinches of pepper in it. So here is the grain mixed mushroom soup.